Okay, so we've got some flux on there. I'm going to cool my tip.
And stitch.
Wow, this one's going well.
So they might worry that sometimes it might drip down the side.
If it drips down the side, just let it cool and pick it off.
Yeah, so it's not a problem.
I haven't had one drip yet, so I don't think I want to.
Well, you're doing
And I've had one where before I put in a piece of tape and had it drip through, and I could just poke it out with a chopstick.
The tape idea is